Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about C tokens, part of programming in C course. In C, a token is the smallest individual unit of a program. There are several types of tokens in C. Keywords. These are predefined words in C that have specific meaning and cannot be used as variable names. Examples of keywords in C include int, float, while, for, etc. Identifiers. These are used to name variables, functions, and other program elements. An identifier must start with a letter or underscore and can be followed by letters, digits, or underscores. For example, x, sum, my underscore variable, etc. Constants. These are values that do not change during the execution of a program. In C, there are several types of constants, such as integer constants, floating point constants, character constants, and string constants. For example, 5, 3.14a, hello, etc. Strings. These are sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. For example, hello, my name is John. Special symbols. These are characters such as plus, minus, divide, percentage, equals, etc. that have special meanings in C. Operators. These are special symbols that perform operations such as mathematical calculations, assignment, and comparison. Examples include plus, minus, divide, percentage, equals, etc. Here is an example of a C program containing different tokens. As you can see in this example, the program is composed of several tokens such as keywords, identifiers, constants, special symbols, and operators. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.